Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Mackenzie. I want to talk about all things wedding decor and DIY wedding decor and how to plan a wedding on a budget. I got engaged in November of 2019, so just a few months ago, and we are getting married on October 10th of this year. Fingers crossed that everything goes back to normal before then, or at least somewhat back to normal. And so I just want to share all the tips and tricks that I have learned with you guys because I have found it so informative on all the information that I've gotten online, and so I just want to regurgitate it back to you. So, first things first, wedding signs. And DIY wedding signs are super easy to make. You can look on Etsy, you can look on Facebook Marketplace, you can look at Hobby Lobby for all these signs, and they're great and they're super cute, but the one thing that I really wanted to keep in mind when I was doing wedding decor is making it universal. So after our wedding's over, I don't want to come back with a bunch of different signs that say like all these signs that I can't really do anything with afterwards. So this is the first sign that I made. It says to have and to hold in case you get cold. A general like overview of what our wedding looked like. Our ceremony is outside at our family farm, and so it's going to be October. It might be a little bit chilly, maybe even a little bit rainy. So I want to just have this sign out there with some baskets with like blankets in for the guests. And so this sign was super easy to make. I bought it for like $7 at Goodwill. It was originally $50 at Hobby Lobby. I'm assuming someone used their 50% off coupon or 40% off coupon. So it was about probably 25 bucks. But I got it for $7 and I wrote this myself to have and hold in case you get cold. So there is one sign. The next sign that I made is with this mirror. My sister actually gave me this black mirror a few years ago, and I found this laying around, and so I decided to spray paint it gold because a lot of our accent colors are gold. I wanted to do everything that was kind of out of the box that people may not be doing. So our bridesmaid colors are all different. I have 6 bridesmaids. One's emerald green, red wine, rusty orange, mustard yellow, navy, and like a dusty rosewood, I believe. I think gold would be a really great accent color with our decor and accenting all the different colors that we have. Originally, I was gonna make it into this bar menu sign, but I actually created a different one, make it something else, whether it's our welcome sign or like a seating chart, a small seating chart. $0. This is another sign that I have created. Again, our accent color is gold, so I found I absolutely love gold mirrors. So I found this good gold mirror for $8 at Goodwill, and I actually just wrote on it with paint marker, and this is all calligraphy, order of events, and then that hurt. And then the time of everything from ceremony to our sparkler send-off. This was only $8. If you look on Etsy, these signs can end up being between like 30 bucks, depending on what you're looking at, or you can just make them yourself and save some money. The next thing that I want to talk about are the signs that I've made for table numbers, guest book signs, menu signs, things like that. This is where I'm going to give you guys the best type of advice right here. Remember this. The website canva.com is going to be your best friend when you are planning a wedding. I found it super helpful when I'm planning and creating all this decor for our wedding. I am by no means super creative, so I actually like to go on and find different ideas online and then just kind of recreate them as my own. So I just made our own table numbers. I know that you can get these off Etsy, you can get them off Amazon, you can get them off Hobby Lobby, but I really wanted to create them as my own. And so I bought these $5 by 7 gold frames from Dollar Tree, and I created the design on Canva, so it says table whatever number it's at. And then I think I'm gonna put some floral around it for our centerpieces. My mother-in-law is absolutely wonderful, and she is going to do all of our floral centerpieces for us, so we're saving some money there, which is absolutely wonderful. So I want to incorporate all of our colors from our bridesmaid dresses into each table. So the last DIY decor that I made was this floral hoop. I bought the floral hoop just at Michael's, and I think it was like $7, and then it was half off, so maybe like $4. And I bought 3 of them, so I bought 2 small ones like this and then a bigger one, and I plan on using these behind our head table with the bigger one and the sign that says like the dolls in the middle of it. And I bought these greenery bouquets from Dollar Tree, and I just cut off each stem and attached them with floral wire on the back. So it's really cute. It's actually hanging up in our guest room right now, and I'll insert a picture below. I was on the hunt high and low for gold chargers for our tables because they are going to be a little bit plain with the ivory tablecloths, and you know, we'll have some color with our floral, but I really wanted more color, and I was debating between chargers or like a table runner, and table runners can get really expensive, and then what do I do with them afterward? I found these at Dollar Tree. They're only $1, and they were the cheapest I could find them anywhere, and I'm gonna buy 200 of them, and then after our wedding I'll resell them and maybe keep a couple for our house. So if you're looking for anything, go to Dollar Tree. Thrift as much as you possibly can. I found all of these candlesticks at antique stores, Goodwill. Goodwill is gonna be your best friend when you're wedding shopping. I already use them for decorations in our house, but I'll also use them for decorations at the wedding as well. A lot of our decorations are not matchy-matchy. That's not how I wanted it at all. I wanted it to be kind of unmatched. We will have a cocktail hour after our ceremony at the farm with live music and backyard games, and it's just gonna be a really fun time. I created this sign on Canva. It says drinks, Mackenzie and Grant, and then it has our drinks for the day or for the cocktail hour. And I bought this 8x10 gold frame from Goodwill or from Dollar Tree for $1. The next sign that I made is our Polaroid guest book sign. We wanted to have a guest book where we could look back in like 20 years and look at everybody's pictures and be like, oh my God, do you remember that person? Or oh my God, that looks so funny. I splurged a little bit, and I did buy a guest book off Etsy that I could probably make myself, but it was so cute. Couldn't pass it up. I'll post it down below, and I'll post what shop I bought it from. Put this sign next to it. It says Polaroid guest book. Snap it, shake it, stick it, sign it, and then our hashtag. And the last sign that I created so far is for our memorial table. So we do have grandparents that passed that we wish could be there. So this is something that I found is really popular right now with weddings, is in loving memory of those who cannot make it today, grandparents' names at the bottom. For save the dates, I was kind of torn between if I even wanted to do save the dates. I know a lot of people have done them digitally, which was a great option for us, but then we have a lot of older people who I don't know if that would necessarily work. We bought them off Etsy, and it was the best price, and we got the best save the dates, and they're so cute. We actually got postcards. So they're just little postcards, and I think they're only 35 cents per stamp, which I think everything else is 55 cents. So these were super cost effective and efficient as well. And then I actually just got our invitations in, and I'm super, super excited about them. We also got these off Etsy. I was tempted to buy just like a template and then print them at our local printing shop, but I didn't want to go through like the middleman and do that. For the invitation, it looks like this. And then we have our RSVP card. And then as I ordered these, I got them and I'm like, oh shoot, I forgot to order detail cards as well. Our venue is kind of in the middle of nowhere, and so we need transportation and accommodations information for them. And although it's on our wedding website, we know a lot of people are not going to check it all the time. And went back on Canva and created this design for details, accommodations, transportation, and our registry. And then for more information, I put our website at the bottom. $0. And I will insert one of these with our invitations and send them out. Well, I know you can order them off Shutterfly, you can order them off Minted, Vistaprint, and all of those options seemed pretty pricey to me for invitations, and so the Etsy option for me was like a no-brainer. All right, guys, so that's all I have for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that this information is helpful to you like it has been for me. So I'll be posting more wedding videos, and so if you could like and subscribe below, that would be awesome. Thank you so much for watching. I hope everyone has a great day.